Alright, I wanted to show you guys the kit a little bit more close up. It is a 14-piece LA Colors Color Craze Fab U Polish nail kit. It comes with 12 nail polishes and 2 glittery files, which are really, really pretty. I hope it's not a glare and you guys can see, but here's a close-up of each of the colors. There's like some nudes, glitters, pinks, some sheer glitter. I'm liking all the colors so far, and then there's some dark colors at the bottom along with some like a white, and this one looks kind of like that's kind of a neat color. I'm not too sure what that is. If it's like a goldish, like a rose goldish. This one almost, like a rose goldish. I do not think it gives any names though. But this is what the back of it looks like. Yeah, I don't see any names. Whoa. Let's see here. Let's open it up. Alright, I want to take this one out, shake it up a little bit, and see what it looks like here. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. It looks like a, it does kind of look like a rose gold. Maybe a bit more on the pink side, but it has some pretty shimmer in it. I don't know if I've seen that color in a full size, because some of the mini colors that are in the kits aren't full sizes. Some do come in full sizes. I think this is red. I thought that was orange. This one's pretty. That's a nice, that would be a nice topper because it's kind of a sheer glitter. I don't know if you guys can see. Neon pink, I definitely like that. And these are cute. And this kit, I believe, was just $5, which isn't bad at all for 14 mini or 12 mini polishes. I think that's a really good price. This was at Family Dollar. And in the last video, I showed you guys these 2 last polishes that I had got. I'll try to show them a bit more. This is a really pretty sheer shimmer in the purple. So I'm going to try to swatch these soon. I just moved, so I have to find my my little swatch nails and stuff, and I'll try to swatch the new LA Colors for you guys soon. And if you guys want to see any of these swatched, let me know in the comments, and I'll do those as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of the kit. They did have some with different colors at different stores. I noticed that all Family Dollars have different kits, so if you go to your Family Dollar, you may find one that doesn't have these exact same colors in it. They may have different colors out as well, but for $5 or so, this wasn't bad at all. Nice deal. So, alright you guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and thumbs up the video.